If you're seeing the Base44 base error, the quickest fix is usually to hard refresh the page first. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and R together to force a full refresh and clear out any cached browser data that may be causing the issue. This is often the first thing to try because it can immediately resolve temporary loading problems or stale app data. If the error is still there after the refresh, the next step is to revert the last action. Look under your last prompt and click the Revert button. This will roll back the most recent change and can undo whatever triggered the Base44 error in the first place. After that, check your database entities carefully. Make sure the entities are correct, the structure matches what the app expects, and nothing important is missing or misconfigured. If the database entities are accurate, that helps confirm whether the issue was caused by a bad prompt action or by an underlying data problem. In most cases, these 3 steps are enough to get things back on track, hard refresh, revert the last prompt action, and verify the database entities. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.